If you do not know, sorry ma'am, I do not, I forgot, I have to refresh
You-
something. You should answer,
I'm
children.
sorry, ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Yeah, that's what. So if you are silent means maybe I may be thinking and waiting for you to answer. Okay, wherever, even if you go for an interview also, this is how you should respond. Okay, ma'am. If you do not know, even viva time also, if a external examiner is asking, instead of keeping quiet, you should answer. No, sorry, sorry, ma'am, or sorry, sir. I have to refresh. Okay, like that you should answer, children. Okay, ma. So now anyway, so implicit type conversion is in an expression, different types of variables or different types of values are there. Okay, automatically that expression will be converted into automatically into a higher type of data. Okay, so that is automatic conversion, only implicit internally takes place. Implicit, we need not explicitly mention something, but suppose if the input is given, whatever input we take, in which format we will take, children? Whatever input we take through input function, so in which format that will be taken, in which format, anyone can answer? In which format, whatever input we give, input enter a number we are entering, no, input function. Okay. इनपुट फंक्शन के थ्रू हम जो भी इनपुट लेते हैं, ठीक है, सो इन विच फॉर्मेट इट विल बी, इन द स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट, that is in the format of collection of characters, string format. Okay, ma. So from there, you wanted to make it as a number, then only we can perform arithmetic operations, na? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, or modulus. Okay, so to perform those operations, it has to be converted into which type? You know, which type, you know?
Integer.
Yeah, integer type. Okay, so that is explicit type conversion. Okay, ma. So explicit type conversion and implicit type conversion. Now you can see. So type conversion we have reached, no? Yes or no? So we have to specifically, you can see, no, at this line. Can you see? Okay. So int within brackets, num string. So whatever num string is there, this is in the format of a string. You can see, no, 45 is enclosed within inverted commas. Okay, children. So this 45 is in the format of a string, but it is a numerical value, that is alphanumeric character. So it is compatible. We can convert into integer. So we use int within brackets that num string. Okay. So then this num string is converted into integer. This is explicitly we have to mention into which data type we are converting. That is we are forcing. So that is known as what type of type conversion? Explicit type conversion. Can you all see, children? Is it clear to everyone? So in explicit
Ma'am,
type
it's
conversion, users convert the data type. Users means who? We convert the data type of an object to required data type. We use the predefined functions like int, function का parenthesis आएगा, ठीक है? Then float parenthesis, then string, like that. So if you have given it is in the format of a integer, but you wanted to display it in the format of a string, so then we have to use str function. Okay, children, is it clear? So this and all we discussed in the previous class. Yes or no? So here I stopped yesterday. Yes. So now today we will be continuing. What are the types of errors we will see? We will come to we'll face while executing any program. Okay, children. So let's yeah. Let me go back. Where is gone? Okay. So now we'll continue with program execution and error handling. Yeah, now you can see, no children, debugging. Bug means what? Have you ever heard about debugging? Any one of you?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the process of identifying in the program.
Sorry, will you repeat?
Ma'am, debugging is a method or a process by identifying and removing the errors in the program.
Very good. So what do you mean by bug? Bug means error. Okay, children. Most of the terminology, if you look into computer science terminology, the terms no. So DE आता है ना? So DE for deletion or removal. Okay. So DE BUG na. So bug means error. DE bug मतलब debug. Debug मतलब क्या है? Deletion of error, removal of error. Got it, children? Okay. So deletion of error, removal of error. RE comes for replication, repetition most of the times. Okay. So वैसे आप याद कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. So now execution कैसे करते हैं? When you are executing, how it will be executed? See, we have the source code. Source code means our Python code, children. Okay. So this Python code is given to the compiler or interpreter. So interpreter will take it as the input. Okay, as that is also a program. No, what is the input for this program? Our coding is the input. Okay, so and it will generate one object file if it is compiler, and then it will link with the executable. Okay, it will prepare the executable .exe files. No, just like we were downloading software. No, that kind of. Okay, so after exe file is generated, then actually it is binary. It will be converted into that binary executable file format, and then the CPU will take that binary executable file format, and then it will give you output. Okay, is it clear?
मैम मुझे एक डाउट है मैम. Hello.
Aadhaar, photo and fees, sir. Yeah. Then it's only photo and Aadhaar. Only one copy. Yes, yes, sir. When are you coming, sir? Yeah, by 10:30. Okay. Once you go to studio, no, sir. At the earliest, you finish it off, no, before afternoon. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, ma'am. So we will be see whatever the input we are giving, that input for the compiler or interpreter, that is the source code is our Python code, and then it will be converted into object file. That object file is linked with the through the linker, and it is linked with the executables, so that is operating system kernel files, and then one binary executable file is generated, and that is processed by the central processing unit, and then we will get the result, children. Is it clear? This is the process of execution. This is how a program is run. Okay, ma? Any doubt here? So what do you mean by debugging? Debugging means the process of finding errors, okay, and removing errors. Once error is there, then what should we do? We have to fix it, no? We have to remove it, right? You have to correct it, right? So error is also known as a bug, okay? And then um, it's a programming code that prevents a program from its successful interpretation. You have seen, no, indentation error or UOF, end of file, end of line is missing. You have seen, right? Yesterday, you people were sharing also, right? Your screens. Yes or no? Yeah, one of you, some of you are asking some doubt, no? What is your doubt? Can you ask?
मैम अगर हम लोग मैम जैसे हम लोग कोई कोड टाइप करते हैं कोई प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं तो अगर कोई एरर होता है तो सिंटैक्स हमें इन्फॉर्म कर देता है ना कि लिख के कि सिंटैक्स गलत है तो मैम ये डीबगिंग क्यों करना होता है मैम
उसी को हम बोलते हैं डीबगिंग. नॉट ओनली सिंटैक्स एरर चाइल्ड, देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एरर. सिंटैक्स मतलब क्या है?
स्ट्रिंग एरर होता है जो मैम लाइन
नो
एरर
नो बेटा, सिंटैक्स का मीनिंग क्या है? लाइक बग का मीनिंग हो गया एरर, है ना? वैसे ही सिंटैक्स का मीनिंग होता है ग्रामर. ओके, सो किसी लैंग्वेज को हम सीखते हैं तो उस वक्त ग्रामर फॉलो करना है कि नहीं? ऐसा नो?
यस मैम
किसी लैंग्वेज, इसी हिंदी का ग्रामर अलग होता है, इंग्लिश का ग्रामर अलग होता है. जब सेंटेंस फ्रेम करते हैं नो, तो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसे करते हैं इंग्लिश में, लेकिन हिंदी में तो कर्ता कर्म क्रिया ना, वैसे होता
यस
है ना. ऐसे वैसे लैंग्वेज के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है ना, दैट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए सेंटेंस. ठीक है, सो वैसे ही दैट ग्रामर का वायलेशन हो गया तो सो देन इंटरप्रेटर विल गिव अस, आर कंपाइलर विल गिव अस एन एरर. Okay, compiler will not understand, no, it is not a human brain, right? It is also a program. As it is scanning from top to bottom, so it will find that error, and then that error is like displayed as a syntax error. Okay, is it clear? Syntax matlab grammar error. Okay, child. So that is what time you will get that error when you compile, when you press F5. Okay, ma. So sometimes what will happen? That time no error will be there. We started execution. Okay. So you're like if you have written input, enter a number that has come on the screen. Input there. Okay. So when you have given the input, it has taken also. Next line में आपको error आ गया. For example, division by 0. How the computer will calculate division by 0? आगे समझ में?
मैम मैम
या दैट इज कंपाइल्ड, मतलब अपना कोडिंग में तो गलत नहीं है. अगर मान लीजिए x बाय y लिखा है आपने, y का वैल्यू आपने 0 डाला है. इनपुट देने का टाइम पे y का वैल्यू आपने इनपुट दे क्या दिया? 0 दिया. तो कंपाइलर में, कंपाइल टाइम में कुछ एरर नहीं है. ओके, जब वो स्कैन कर रहे हैं ना कंपाइलर, तब तो एरर नहीं है. लेकिन एग्जीक्यूशन टाइम में क्या हुआ? वो इट इज अनेबल टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट स्टेटमेंट. दैट इज रन टाइम एरर. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? सो पहले कंपाइलेशन हो जाएगा, like we will cross check once, yeah, from the top to bottom, yeah, everything is perfect. Then when you started processing it, some error happened. One second now. One second, Ayush father. Okay, okay, ma. So now you do one thing. You just write one simple program where you take x and y as inputs and give y value as 0 and execute and let me know what are the errors you are facing. Quickly, children, you do 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, now you start typing in Python idle.
Ma'am, zero division error.
मैम जीरो डिवीजन एरर।
जीरो डिविजन एरर आ गया? कब आ गया? इंटरप्रिटेशन F5 दबाते ही जीरो डिविजन एरर आ गया?
हाँ मैम, नीचे
ए,
एरर दिखाया, उसके नीचे लिखा।
No, ma'am, after it got
फिर से
executed.
करो, फिर से करो, फिर से करो।
Yes, ma'am, same आ रहा है मैम।
कब आ रहा है? That is also very important. Na? When are you getting that error? That is also very important, children.
Ma'am, after running the program.
आफ्टर रनिंग द प्रोग्राम।
After running the program, after giving input.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After giving input only you got the error, isn't it? That is during execution you got the error, not during compilation. Yes sir, no? So now you do one thing. X by y को left side में डालो। आपने सम z इक्वल टू x by y लिखा है ना आप लोग ने? Yes sir, no?
Ma'am, it is showing in integer division or module by zero. Zero division error.
Yeah, zero division error आ गया ना? That is runtime error. Okay, now what you do now? So now x by y का statement आपने कैसे लिखा है? Print x by y Yes. Can you hear me? Yes, ma'am. Yes, are you all there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me, see, z equal to x by y डाल दीजिए, ठीक है? Now print z, that is nothing but x by y का display कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Now you try x by y equal to z करके. Now execute and show me, tell me what is the error.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Z equal to, see पहले x equal to input int input enter number लिखा है ना आपने, y equal to int input number लिखा है ना, then z
मैम
equal to x
मैम
by
वो
y.
अब कह रहा है मैम वो अब कह रहा है couldn't assign to operator।
Sorry,
मैम अभी हमने z is x divide by y is equal to z डाला तो प्रिंट z किया, फिर वो कह रहा है couldn't assign the operator।
correct. So what is the error? Could not assign operator. Got it? So why it is coming like that? See, mathematically when you are doing, even if you write it on the left side or if you write it on the right side, doesn't matter. Yes or no? But here in programming, we should follow the semantic. That is, semantic means meaning. So it doesn't convey proper meaning to our interpreter. Okay, so that type of error is a semantic error. Okay ma, आगे समझ में? Have you all understood? So now what are all the errors we discussed now? Tell me. Compile time error, syntax error, that is compile time में syntax errors आ गए हम, ठीक है? Then runtime error. So runtime error का best example क्या है? Division by 0. Okay ma. So and then what else we got? What is other error? Semantic error. आगे समझ में? So जब ऐसे error आ गया तो, and one more type of error is there. What is that? See, question में पूछा है simple interest calculation करने का. आपने प्रोग्राम लिखा है compound interest के लिए, तो कंपाइलर को पता चलेगा?
No, ma'am.
Compiler को how does the compiler will understand or interpreter will understand? Because whatever we do, that only it will understand, isn't it? Okay, that is the logical error, children. So logical errors cannot be handled by the interpreter. Okay. Okay, children. Now you tell me what are all the errors. So now you write one program in which all these errors should be there.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, after writing enter a number, what we have to write, ma'am?
X equal to input int input enter a number. Similarly, y equal to int input
ma'am.
enter a number. So you
Okay.
should make out all these errors, children. So because there will be definitely a question in the board paper to rectify all the errors and underline each correction. Okay, in theory paper. So you should know what are all the errors. So somewhere you remove colon, somewhere you remove inverted commas and make some errors. Okay. And how to rectify that error, that you just practice.
Ma'am.
One more time, you call for signature. Next week. Hello. Yes, ma'am. So now you're all there with me? Yeah. How many of you could do so many errors? What are all the errors? Will you be able to rectify all those errors? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing? Yes. Hey, sorry, yaar, mine is muted and I'm explaining you. Okay, anyway. So now what is syntax error? If there is any grammar violation. What is semantic error? We feel it is meaningful, but there is interpreter cannot interpret it. Like हम तो सोचते हैं x equal to y plus z is same as y plus z equal to x, but interpreter cannot interpret. And what is logical error? See, आपको find out करना है product of two numbers, लेकिन आपने लिखा है addition of two numbers का program. ठीक है मैम, तब उसको लॉजिकल एरर, लॉजिक में ही गलत है, लॉजिकल एरर बोलते हैं. ठीक है, राइट? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
See, why Nikhil Singh is joining now? Nikhil Singh Parashar, how many times I called Nikhil Singh? What happened to you? Why man, now till now you haven't joined class? Now 9:20, now you are joining. 1 hour over na class almost. Okay, anyway, good that you have joined. Better late than never. So, but 8:30 class, you try to join at the earliest. Yes, ma'am.
Decimals are float, no, ma'am?
Decimal only float.
Ma'am, if we have to write return after define function x, then return x into 2.54, if you have to write, then what will be the input? It will be FLOAT and input.
Sorry, will you repeat once again?
Ma'am, if we have to write define function x and then return x into 2.54, and then we have to write a in while true, we have to write a equals to float and input.
Yeah, correct. Decimal you want, no. So that is float you should use.
Okay, ma'am.
Only integer portion you want means int.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
No other doubts? We'll proceed. Okay, well, let me go to that screen. Yeah, can you see my screen, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, once again I'm sharing. Now you can see, right? Now you can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So logical error means question is something, answer is something. That is the logical error. So whatever answer you have given, that is whatever coding you have mentioned. Accordingly, your program will give you output. Right. But what you are expecting, actually, see, actually customer wants something, but design is given. See, if you go to a carpenter and ask for some design, and finally when he made something else has come out. Okay, so then that is the logical error. I conveyed something, you understood something. Okay, that way. So if a program is not showing any compile time error or runtime error, but not producing desired output, then it may be possible that the program is having logical error. Okay. For example, use a variable without an initial value. Logic में गड़बड़ है. So providing wrong parameters to a function. So here, say plus in place of minus. For example, okay. सब्ट्रैक्शन का रिजल्ट फाइंड आउट करना है, लेकिन आपने किया है, क्या किया है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला नहीं तो एडिशन वाला किया है. ठीक है. सो दैट इज लॉजिकल एरर. देन रन टाइम एरर, as we have already discussed, division by 0 is the best example. Okay, so runtime errors, how to handle, we can use try except block. Okay, except is exception. Exception means runtime error. Okay, runtime error ka what is the other term we use? Tell me what is the other term? Exception. Exception. How do you handle exceptions in Python? By using try block and except block. Okay, so try मतलब ये पूरा कोडिंग को ट्राई करो करके बोल, हमने इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे हैं, इंटरप्रेटर को बोल रहे हैं ये ट्राई ब्लॉक में जो भी आप कोडिंग लिखते हैं ना, तो उस कोडिंग में कुछ भी एरर है तो एक्सेप्ट में जो कोडिंग हम लिख रहे हैं वो मैसेज डालो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्ट्रक अप. instead of hanging the computer, instead of hanging that idle, okay, that Python software, instead of hanging there, what do? We can handle it in a different way by using try except block. Is it clear to everyone, children? ट्राई ब्लॉक में आपको जो भी कोडिंग का एग्जीक्यूशन मतलब एरर फाइंड आउट करना है, रन टाइम में एरर है तो वो रन टाइम एरर की वजह से रुकना नहीं, ठीक है, नहीं तो एरर जनरेट करना नहीं, लेकिन मुझे एक मीनिंगफुल स्टेटमेंट दे दो कि मुझे समझ में आएगा. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट डू? आई यूज अ ट्राई ब्लॉक. हम जो भी कोडिंग हम सोचते हैं कि इसमें एक एरर है, सो वो सबको ट्राई ब्लॉक में डालेंगे. देन कम टू एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक. एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक में हाउ डू यू वांट टू हैंडल दैट एरर? So that is to be returned. Got it? So here what type of exceptions you can face, children? IO error, that is due to problem in input or output. Got it, children? Name error due to unavailability of an identifier. Index error that generates when subscript of a sequence is out of range. लेकिन ऐसी कल हमने लिस्ट का एग्जांपल दिखाया ना आपको. See, when the list is having only 4 values, okay, so what is the maximum index? 0 से शुरू करेंगे ना, 0 1 2 3. Okay, when a list is having only 4 values, 0 1 2 3, these are the indexes, right? So these are the indices. Now if you are trying to retrieve a value at a location 5, it is index out of range, no child? Okay, so that is the reason we will get index error. Next, import error. Due to failing of import statement we will get. Then type error, that is execution generates this exception generated due to the wrong type, okay, used with an operator or a function. For example, so when you have both the strings, okay, ma. So when you have both the, but you are trying to perform some division or some addition or some subtraction. Okay, then what is the error we will get, children? Tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am, please answer. What type of error you will get that time?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes. My question clear to every one of you children? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
See, for example, I will show you here. I'm opening my idle screen. Yeah. So, for example, I have a string. Okay, computer. Now, yes, by 2. What do I get? Can you all see the error?
Ma'am, type error.
Yes, Aditya, Kashyap,
Ma'am, type error.
Aditya Raj, are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? What happened, children? You are not responding. Now 38 people are there, not even one person is responding. Can you see, children? See, it is incompatible, right? String को तो हम multiplication division नहीं कर सकते, multiplication कर सकते हैं. See, for example, if I have written s multiplied by 2, what will happen? It is replication or repetition of the same. You can see, computer. अगर s multiplied by 5 कर दिया तो 5 times replication. You can see na children, but you cannot perform s plus 2 kar diya to you cannot perform such operation. So that type of errors also will come. Okay children, so that is, what is that error? Type error due to wrong type with the operator. You can see, no, type error. See, type error aa gaya, yes or no?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
all see? One second, ma'am. I'm not able to hear. See, let me my speaker, check my speaker. Yes, ma'am. Now you respond. Let me check whether I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now I can hear. Yeah, here is a loose connection. Okay, so now you understood type error. Type error kab aayega? When do we get type error, children? When used with an operator which is not compatible with the data type. So then we will have type error. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now let me proceed. Yeah. Value error. So value error is due to wrong argument passed to a function. So value error. See, for example, I'll create one definition. So a definition function 1. Okay. So इसमें तो हमने डाला, okay. इसमें हम x value डाल दें, ठीक है? Let me not give any argument also. Okay, print. This is a function. Okay, children. So now I'll be calling fun1 with some 15. Okay. So now what is that error? What is that error, child? You see? You all can see what is that error? Function 1 takes 0 positional arguments, but 1 argument is passed here. Okay, so the type is not compatible. So now here x I have passed here. So let me give some x equal to hello. Okay, so hello. This is, so x value I want to display. Then value जब display करते हैं ना, इसको inverted commas में नहीं डालना, ठीक है? याद रखिए. So now let me execute.
Ma'am, we can't see the idle screen.
Is it? It is visible, no?
No,
Not for
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
1 second. Let me share 1 second. अक्षित को अभी good morning हो गया 9:33 को. Now he is joining. Now you can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
yeah. So actually x is a string type. Okay, ma'am. So x is a string type and I have passed that x as a parameter here. Now what am I doing? I am giving a number as a parameter. Now let me execute. 15, this is a function. But as it is compatible, okay, it is taking. So now let me give here true or false. और false भी ले रहे, ठीक है? So now 5 plus 6j, ठीक है? Now it is a complex type. Now what happened? Yeah, okay, fine. This is a syntax error. You can see no unmatched parenthesis. Now let me execute. So 15 this is a function. So 15 is passed in place of x. Okay, yeah, and then it is taken. So, for example, yeah, this is loose type binding, no, so it is taking. But there will be a problem, value error, wrong argument passed to a function. Okay, now let me pass here. Hello, this is a function is coming. Okay. Wrong argument. Yeah, L equal to 1, 2, 3, at least. Okay. So it is taking all types of data here, but if it is, yeah, there it is defined for something, and if we are passing a different type of data, then you will get this error. Is it clear? So next, anyway, I'll show you if at all, yeah, sometimes we will face that error, no, that time. Next, zero division error. This is the exception generated when divisor comes to zero. Then overflow error when results of a mathematical calculation exceeds the limit. Then key error due to non-availability of key in mapping of a dictionary. Key नहीं है, लेकिन हम ना उसी की से रिट्रीव करना चाहते हैं. Then EOF error, EOF my this is you can make it correction. EOF end of file. So end of file condition comes without reading input of a built-in function. Okay, so in Python debugging can be done through print line debugger, or you can use a debugging tool. Print line debugger means every line ke baad wherever you feel that yeah, here is error, where is that error, if you want to find out, you can make a print line debugger, PDB. Okay, so Python debugger, PDB you can use, import PDB dot set trace kar sakte hain. So using this you can set a breakpoint. That means up to that it will execute, and then it will execute line by line, not the entire program together.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you upload this PDF in the Teams?
Teams, yes, sure. Today I'll upload all these, okay? All the PDFs, like from yesterday, whatever we discussed, no, all the PDFs I'll upload now. See, from problem solving I have uploaded, no, from getting started with Python, I will upload. Okay, Chail? Yes. So now, if you are using import PDB, then N we have to press to go to next line. Okay. S is the step function. C is the continue to the next breakpoint. Okay. For example, see, we have created a program like this. Okay. Assume that we have a program like this. So then use N to step next line like that. Now let me show you PDB. No, here what is this error? Expected indent is syntax error. Okay. So now first line का execution चल रहा है, हमको पता चलेगा. So now you can see ना children. Now what is the first line? First execution. So nested loop का call हो गया ना. So it came to nested loop function. Okay. So execution कैसे शुरू हो गया देखो. देख रहे हैं ना? पहले मेन फंक्शन शुरू हो गया, ठीक है. So then in that we have the definition, we entered into definition. Now PD पे आ गया ना. So now what should I press? N. N if I press, I'll get the next line. Another way is we can invoke it from the command line also. Okay. So or what we can do is here in this program, options here, customized modular segment. Where is debugger in this? Okay, in Python 3.6.5 we have the debugger tool, but in earlier versions like 3.7 and 3.8, no, I'm not finding debugger tool here. Okay, ma'am. Okay. It's yeah. So when you are executing, no, line by line, it will show first next step. Yeah, what is the next step? What is the next step? Step by step, it will execute, and then we can easily find out where is the error. Okay, ma'am. So then we discussed about conditional and looping construct. If, else, ये सब खत्म कर दिए ना? We have finished, right? And we have used even while loop also. So as we have one more class. When is our next class? Wednesday, no? Wednesday is, what is Wednesday's date, children? See, today is 17th, no?
21st.
21st. 21st से 10 vacation है ना?
Ma'am?
Yeah, 21st से 30th तक 10 vacation है ना? So maybe today is my last class. So let me, yeah, last class before this Dasara vacation. So let me complete this. If else once refresh this one. Okay. So which one is that? Conditional and looping constructs. Okay. So these are the control statements we call, children. Control means, see, otherwise what is happening? It will be executing sequentially. Now what are we doing? We are not executing sequentially, but what are we doing, children? Tell me. We are based on the decision, based on the, if the condition is true, do this for once. Or if this condition is true, as long as this condition is true, repeat this. Okay, so then if this condition is true, even then, if inner one more condition we are writing, no, break this loop, when to break, or when to continue, or when to pause. Okay, so that way, when to pass means continue with the no, continue to the next iteration. So decision making statements are used to control the flow of execution of a program depending upon the condition. In that mainly 3 types. Only if लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो if else लिख सकते हैं. Otherwise if, finally else. Okay, children. So we have already written some programs. See, for example, when we are representing if statement using a flow chart, how do we do that? How do we do that, children? See, we have started our program. What are the statements that are there to be executed sequentially? When if condition comes, we use a diamond. If the condition is true, if block के अंदर जो भी coding लिखा है, that should be executed and go to the ending. If the condition is false, whatever the statements we have written, those statements to be executed and will go to end. Okay, children. See, for example, if this condition is true, do this block of statements. Okay, if number of books, say for example, number of books equal to 2. If number of books equal to 2, then print you have 2 books. Then after completion of this, where the thread of control will go directly to print statement. Okay, so then outside if statement also will be printed. Okay, children. See, I will execute and show you here. So now, what is the error in there? Aditya Raj, can you tell me what is the error in this? Nikhil Singh Parashar, is there any error?
Ma'am, indent error.
Indent error. Any other error? Okay, indent को मैंने tick कर दिया, ठीक है? Now any other error? Manually you should tell children because theory paper में आपको आएगा ना. That time you will not have computer with you. What is other error? See this inverted commas when you are copied from the other files and all, so it will be in some Unicode format, okay, unified text format, UTF formats. So we have to bring it into normal text format. Okay, ma'am. So if number of books equal to, if number of books equal to 2, then display you have 2 books. And continue. Yeah, if you have 2 books, and then what will happen? It will proceed to outside statement also. See, you can see, no, here in this flow chart. After completion of whatever the if code, it will come to next statements. Whatever the statements are there, they will be executed. Clear, children? Next. So if you want to have, like, you know, negative, if you want to check whether a number is a positive or a negative value, okay, so then what do we do? If a is less than 0, then print negative. Given number is negative. Else मतलब otherwise. Otherwise क्या करना है? So print positive. After positive or negative, where the thread of control will go, children? In this coding. So now I am just printing A. Okay. So this is outside if else block. Okay. And the value of A is I am displaying. Okay. So now let me check. This is if else ka second example. Okay. So enter a number. Give me some number. 25 I have entered. So now positive. Okay, let me give one more time. Give another number. Sorry. Yeah, give another number. Minus 56. So now negative or positive. You can see, no, children, whether it is positive or negative. After completion of that if block, where the thread of control is going. See, if के यही margin देख लेना, ठीक है? So else में नहीं जाएगा. If it is a negative number, directly it will come to outside if else block. Is it clear to everyone? You can see no output here, children. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, if it has gone to else portion, even the else block के अंदर जो भी statements है ना, वो execute करने के बाद thread of control कहाँ जाएगा? कौन सा statement execute करेगा? Outside the if else, any other statement is there, that statement will be executed. But it is only how many times if else is executed, children? If else में जो भी condition लिखा है ना, how many times that condition is tested? How many times? How many times, ma? How many times that condition is tested? Akila, tell me how many times that condition is tested in any if else. How many times? See, you can see, no? फिर से मुझे execute करना पड़ा. फिर से मुझे चाहिए तो फिर से मुझे execute करना पड़ा. मतलब how many times? Akila, can you answer? Tanya is there? Yes, ma, Akila. Yes, good. Unmute. How many times if else statement, if else के अंदर जब भी हम condition लिखते हैं ना, how many times that condition will be executed?
2.
Only once, dear. Only one and only one time. Okay. Only once. You can see, no. See, for example, एक ही बार ये कंडीशन चेक हो गया, ये फॉल्स है तो एल्स में आ गया, ठीक है, ये ट्रू है तो प्रिंट में चला गया, खत्म, काम खत्म। फिर से हम एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ेगा अगर फिर से आपको दोबारा कंडीशन चेक करना है तो। सी लेट मी शो यू, अभी 56 एंट्री किया मैंने, सो 56, how many times 56 is less than 0? No, so it has come to else portion, एक ही बार पॉजिटिव आ गया ना, फिर जाके वो कंडीशन चेक किया नहीं, एक खत्म होने के बाद, इफ एल्स खत्म होने के बाद प्रिंट और एक स्टेटमेंट था ना यही कोडिंग में, सो आउटसाइड इफ एल्स ब्लॉक ए स्टेटमेंट में जाके प्रिंट करेगा, ठीक है, as per that statement that execution took place. Okay, so how many times any if else is executed, tell me?
Once.
Only once. See, once again if you want, once again you have to run the coding. Okay, so once again I have to run the coding, then only it will execute. But one execution, one F5 में आपको एक ही बार execute होगा if else. Okay, याद रखना. Now you sometimes see, you ask, no, as ma'am I don't want to repeatedly go and press F5 or execute. Repeatedly I wanted it to prompt for me to enter a number. Then what have we done? We have gone for a while construct. Okay, so decision making में सी ये कंडीशन भी हमने डाल के देखा है ना ग्रेड कैलकुलेशन में, ऐसा ना. सो इफ एल्स एंड देन इफ के अंदर इफ डाला तो सी इफ एल्स कंडीशन, इफ के अंदर इफ डाला तो नेस्टेड इफ एल्स बोलते हैं, ठीक है. नेस्टेड मींस इफ के अंदर इफ दिस इज ट्रू, ओके, देन डू वन मोर चेक. सी फॉर एग्जांपल, राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू फाइंड biggest of 3 numbers. Biggest of 3 numbers. So how do we do that? Suppose A is a number, int. Okay, what should I do, children? Tell me quickly. Input. What should I write? Enter a number. Next, what should I write? Tell me, children. 3 numbers चाहिए ना हमको. So 3 times हमको input लेना है, ठीक है. So 3 numbers हो गया. Next, what should I do? If what should I do? A greater than B and A greater than C. तब कौन सा वैल्यू बड़ा है?
A.
Biggest. Very good. A is biggest. So print biggest is, what is the biggest one?
A.
Yeah, print. Here only I am writing biggest. बार बार मैं टाइप नहीं करना चाहती हूँ इसीलिए. So end में क्या डालूँ? End equal to space डालूंगी, ठीक है. I don't want to end by new line. So उसी लाइन पे biggest के जगह biggest के बाद कंटिन्यू करना है. So biggest is A. Okay. else में फिर मैं कंडीशन चेक कर सकती हूँ ना. सो else के अंदर if डालने की वजह से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? elif डाल सकते हैं, ठीक है. else if B is bigger than A and B is bigger than C, then which one is big, children? Which one is the biggest one? B.
B.
इक्वल टू तो नहीं आएगा, ऑलरेडी हमने इक्वल टू वाला ये चेक किया ना, ठीक है. ओके, लेट इट बी, नो प्रॉब्लम आल्सो. सो देन व्हाट शुड आई डू? एल्स ए बी के अलावा हमारे पास 3 ही नंबर है, तब कंडीशन करने का जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्टली सी को ए नहीं है बी नहीं है बिगेस्ट, तब कौन सा बिगेस्ट होगा? सी बिगेस्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. लार्जेस्ट ऑफ 3 नंबर्स. नाउ बिगेस्ट ऑफ 3. Okay, so now enter a number 34, 45, 56. So what is the biggest again? So now let us execute one more time. So let us give the first one as the biggest one. So then yeah, now you see 23 A value भी आ गया. Now B value करके देखते हैं एक बार और एक बार execute करके. So now let us give B value is 23. Okay, and the second one is the biggest I want. So then, so now you got the whatever the biggest value you are giving. Now let us give all the three values same. All the three values same. So 10, 10, 10 डाल दिया. ठीक है. Now what is the biggest? 10. Okay, equal to condition B हो गया. ठीक है, आगे समझ में. So like that multiple times, more than one condition to be checked, then we can do like this. This is nested if else. And what else we can do, no? If A is greater than B, instead of writing if. So if के अंदर if डाल सकते हैं ना. So then print A. Otherwise, A is bigger than B, but A is smaller than C. Then which one is biggest? Otherwise, so otherwise, matlab else B is smaller than, bigger than A. B is greater than A, and B is greater than C also. Then which one to be printed? Print B. Otherwise, which one to be printed? Which one to be printed, children? Print B A से बड़ा है, लेकिन C से छोटा है, तो कौन सा बिगेस्ट होगा? C बिगेस्ट हो जाएगा ना. ठीक है. तो these two conditions are enough, no? This way also we can write invalid syntax. What is that missing here? Colon. So now execute and see. So enter a number 32, 45, 56. So what is the biggest? 56 again. So now enter a number 12, 23 and then 21. So now biggest again. Now let us execute. A value बढ़ा देना, ठीक है? So now 54, 43, 32. So again executed. So all conditions are there. These are, so if के अंदर हमने फिर से if else ladder बनाया, elif के अंदर फिर से हमने if else ladder बनाया. This is nested if. Is it clear to every one of you? Nested if के अंदर if. Okay. So वैसे डाल दिया तो nested बोलते हैं. Next we come to iteration statement. Iteration means repeated execution of the same block based on the condition. As long as the condition is true, this block has to be executed repeatedly. See, condition true हो गया ना, then body of that while block to be executed, and then come back and check the condition again. Okay, for example, if we are asked to generate numbers, even numbers up to a given number, or display numbers within the range. Okay, children. So what should I do? कहाँ से कहाँ तक? So input, int, input. Okay. So enter starting value. Okay. So then enter. Now what is the end range? Range there है ना. So कहाँ से कहाँ तक? So input ending value. ठीक है. So now as long as x value is less than or equal to y, x को print करते जाओ and x value बढ़ाते जाओ. So इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं children? Tell me. x equal to x plus 1 को x plus equal to 1 लिख सकते हैं, augmented assignment. Okay, so now range of numbers. Now you can see enter the starting value. 20 से मुझे 50 तक जनरेट करना है. आ गए? आउटपुट आ गया? Can you all see, children? Do you want me to repeat? See, while में जो condition डाला है ना, so एक ही बार नहीं चेक हुआ. सी पहले क्या हुआ, x वैल्यू हमने 20 किया था ना, 20 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 50 कंडीशन ट्रू। सो प्रिंट क्या होगा 20 हो गया। नेक्स्ट एक्स वैल्यू को हमने बदल दिया, ठीक है, एक्स वैल्यू को +1 कर दिया, सो 21 हो गया। 21 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 50, फिर से कंडीशन ट्रू, ट्रू है तो 21 डिस्प्ले हो गया। नेक्स्ट कंडीशन ट्रू, सो फिर से कंडीशन चेक हो गया 22, 23, 24, 25 लाइक दैट up to 50 all the values are displayed. Is it clear children? This is while condition will be checked unless until it is false. That block of statements will be executed. So as long as this condition is true, जब तक see 50 x value भी 50 बन गए ना, 50 less than or equal to 50 condition is true, then 50 is displayed, then 50 plus 1 हो गया, so x value हो गया 51. 51 is it less than or equal to 50 children? False. So will come out of the while loop. अगर कुछ इधर statement है तो so then that will be executed. Okay children, is it clear to everyone? Have you all understood while कैसे execute हो जाएगा? Yes or no? I want a response children. Are you all there? Or anyone is facing problem? Harsh Kumar, Shivam Singh, they are joining now. What happened in between? A network issue. Okay. So now you can see now while loop is executing as long as it is. See, for example, here actually you wanted to have some range, okay? रेंज वाला डिस्प्ले करना है, लेकिन अगर आपने ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं डाला क्या होगा? कैन समवन आंसर मी? Yes, always I'm asking Ayush only. Aditya Raj or Aditya Kashyap, if I forgot to write this statement, what will happen? Aditya Raj. Yes, ma'am. What will happen?
Ma'am, it will print only the starting number.
See, now x value is मैंने input दे दिया ना 20, y value 50 दे दिया, so 20 less than or equal to 50, condition true or false?
True, ma'am.
True. तब क्या होगा?
X will be printed.
हाँ, x मतलब कितना है?
20.
20 is printed. फिर कहाँ जाएगा thread of control? थ्रेड ऑफ कंट्रोल कहाँ जाएगा? ये स्टेटमेंट खत्म होते ही खत्म हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा बेटा, एज लॉन्ग एज द कंडीशन इज ट्रू अगेन वाइल में जाएगा। ओके, सो फिर वाइल में आके फिर कंडीशन चेक करेगा। एक्स वैल्यू कितना है आदित्य बताओ?
20 मैम।
हाँ
20.
सो 20 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 50, ट्रू और फॉल्स?
True.
ट्रू। अगेन व्हाट विल हैपन? ट्रू है तो क्या होगा?
Again it
विल
will
बी डिस्प्ले, प्रिंट में जो भी है ना वो डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा। ठीक है, सो एक्स वैल्यू 20 डिस्प्ले हो गया। ठीक है बेटा, तो फिर कहाँ जाएंगे?
again to the while statement.
while में जाएंगे। सो 20 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 50, सो फॉरएवर इट इज ट्रू, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 20 विल बी प्रिंटेड?
Forever.
Got it? Understood? So enter the starting value. अगर मैंने 20 डाला है and then ending value 50 डाला है, how many times? Is it stopping? You can see, no? How many times? Infinite number of times. So what I'm doing, I'm killing that process. Okay, so for that reason, what should we do? Whenever you use a while loop, there should be some termination condition. Update expression should be there. So x plus को मतलब मुझे all the odd value नहीं तो every alternate value चाहिए. So x plus equal to 2 डालूंगी. ठीक है, so 2 डाल दूंगी तब मुझे आएगा C25 से अभी 75 तक मुझे alternate value चाहिए. आगे समझ में? सो एक्स वैल्यू कैसे आप अपडेट करेंगे? ये अपडेट की वजह से somewhere this condition will be false. Is it clear children? So somewhere this condition will be false. Somewhere, if that is false, then only we will come out of the loop. Otherwise what will happen? The infinite loop. infinite number of times the thread of control will be executing that loop. So while में आपको condition डालते हैं, but while block के अंदर, while में ये condition से पहले उसका initial values क्या है वो देते हैं, ठीक है. So while के अंदर एक update expression जरूरी पड़ता है, ठीक है. Update expression, what is the purpose here? It is mainly to update that expression, तभी तो somewhere we can stop. Is it clear, children? Okay, update expression भूल गए तो what will happen? Infinite loop हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So now let us come to for loop. For is also a keyword, children. So we can we can use for loop also for the similar purpose. Let me copy the same thing. Okay, so now we will go to a new file. Now we will be using a for loop. So for some value in the range of x comma y. So here x comma y, for I in, I means I belongs to, I in. So some variable, okay, we have taken. So what are we doing? We are displaying I value. Now let me execute and show you. See range function. Right. Enter starting value. कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? 100 से 500 तक लेंगे, ठीक है. So now you can see 100 to 500 all the values are displayed. Yes or no? But 500, is it included? 100 is included or not? Can you all see my screen, children? Yes or no? Yes, starting value is also included, okay, whereas terminating value, ending value is not included. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Akshat Vaibhav, unmute yourself, child. Akshat, are you there? Yes, ma'am. So now range function में हमने दो value डाला है ना, x value,
yes,
y value. So which one is inclusive, which one is excluded? You can see the output.
X is included and y is excluded.
Y से छोटा तक, ठीक है. अब देखिए y value 500 include नहीं होगा, ठीक है. So less than equal to, अगर 500 भी चाहिए तो y plus 1 डालना, ठीक है.
Yes,
आगे समझ में. So what is the significance of range function here? Range will take the starting value, whatever that is also inclusive, from there to excluding the ending value less than that. Okay, so till there. अगर आपने third parameter भी डाला है, that is, see by chance if you are not given the third value, +1 करते जाएगा. अगर if you want to do +3. Okay, beta. So now you can see now starting value suppose 10. So ending value 20. So 10, 13, 16, 19. You all can see, children. Yes. Update हमने update expression separately डालना पड़ेगा while loop में. लेकिन for में हम range function use कर सकते हैं. Are you following, children? So ये range में third parameter is what? Step. This is starting, start, stop, step. Is it clear to everyone? See 5 difference के साथ हमको display करना है. So 10 to 100 तक, ठीक है. So x value is 10 and y value 100. 100 is not to be included. Then देखिए आगे 5 के difference के साथ all the values. Yes or no? So what is the significance of range function? It will take the starting value. It will take the ending value. But ending value is not inclusive and it will take the step. If the step is not mentioned, by default that value is 1. Is it clear to everyone, children? Yes? Are you all understanding? So that way we can display. See, for example, negative, मतलब in the reverse direction if you want to display values. So 100 से 90 तक, 100 से 10 तक जाएंगे, स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू 100, 10 तक डिस्प्ले करना है, ठीक है। सो नाउ वाई नथिंग इज डिस्प्ले -5, सो +5 तो कुछ नहीं आएगा ना, सो -5 रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में जाना है तो -5 कर देंगे, ठीक है। सो नाउ 100 से लेकर 10 तक जाना है, सो नाउ यू कैन सी, can you all see children, but 10 is not inclusive because this is the stopping value. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so for loop also executes repeatedly. So first time I value क्या हो गया, x2 y तक, x value is 10, 100, y value 10 हो गया, तो 100 is the I value. Next क्या होगा, 100 minus 5, okay, so that is 95. 95 is still within the range, y value तक, y value से मैच नहीं हो रहा है ना, so that is also displayed. वैसे repeatedly execute हो जाएगा. Okay children, so repeatedly it will execute. See for example, if you want to display a set of values using a for loop, okay ma, so now for index, yeah, so for index in range, length of the fruits, what is the length of the fruits, you know children, 1 2 3, 3 is the length of the fruits. So for index, so index value in range, अगर आपने एक ही वैल्यू डाला तो कहाँ से शुरू होगा, 0 से शुरू हो जाएगा, ठीक है, 0 से शुरू होगा, दिस इज द स्टॉपिंग इंडेक्स. ओके, रेंज के फंक्शन के अंदर अगर आपने एक ही पैरामीटर दे दिया तो दैट इज द टर्मिनेटिंग इंडेक्स. सो ए इंक्लूड नहीं होगा ना, सो 3 इज द इंडेक्स हियर, सो 0 1 2 will be taken as the index. Now you can see if you want to display index also, let me display index comma index, because value आना चाहिए तो हम क्या करना है, इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स नहीं डालना है, ठीक है. ये मैसेज के लिए डिस्प्ले में जो भी मैसेज चाहिए तो उनको वैसे डालते हैं, ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट मी एक्सिक्यूट एंड शो यू. सो दिस इज फ्रूट्स इंडेक्स ना, राइट. सो इंडेक्स 0 में व्हाट इज दैट फ्रूट, बनाना. इंडेक्स 1 में एप्पल, इंडेक्स 2 में मैंगो. आ गई समझ में. अगर रेंज के अंदर एक ही पैरामीटर डाला तो दैट इज द terminating index, that is not inclusive, ठीक है. So now then by default where it will start, starting index will be 0 and the step is 1. So पहले 0 होगा, next plus 1 1 हो जाएगा, next plus 1 2 हो गया. So index value हम पहले 0 ले लिया, 1 next 1 ले लिया. So fruits with that index, what is the value, 0th में बनाना है. Fruits with the index 1 apple, fruits with index 2 is mango. Is it clear to everyone children? Yes, I think we can stop here, we'll wind up here. Any doubts children for loop? Okay, so break also we have done, continue also we have done in the previous class. Pass is okay, nothing, just do nothing, just okay, is required syntactically, but the program requires no action. Okay, ma'am. So with this, I'll wind up here all the topics of this month October syllabus. Any doubts you can ask, and you prepare well for the your immediately after this break, children. You will have half-yearly exam. Yes, ma'am. Any other doubts you want to ask, you can ask.